To assemble your Cochlear Nucleus 8 sound processor, start by attaching the Nucleus 8 slimline coil to the processing unit. Push the coil cable into the processing unit without twisting until it clicks into place. Next, connect the battery module to the processing unit. If you are using a rechargeable battery module, align the raised marker and arrow on battery module towards the back of processing unit. If you are using the disposable battery module, align the indents and lock-on battery module towards the back of processing unit. Fit the parts together with the battery module at a slight angle to the processing unit socket. Twist the battery module to attach the parts. When assembled, your sound processor will turn on automatically and a green indicator light on the top of your processor will flash. The number of flashes indicates the number of your current program. To turn off your sound processor, press and hold the button for 5 seconds. The light will change to steady orange as the sound processor turns off. For more information, visit our website.